Welcome to Singing with Ron! Hello, and welcome to this video for warm-ups for men who are belting or tenors or just kind of pop vocals in general. So where I'd like to start off with is some stretching and breathing. Your core or your support, what helps you to sing, your breath, is your abs. So what I want you to do is reach up with your arms and bring your hands together and feel like you're doing up a tight pair of pants or zipping something up down there below your belly button. And I want you to go shh, 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 shh. And then lean to one side. Shh, 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 shh. Leaning engages some of your obliques. Shh, 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 shh. And then twisting. Shh, 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 shh. Engages some of your other obliques. And then bending forward, still doing up your tight pair of pants. Let your head flop down, bend right down. So you can do those on s or sh. I like the sh. It just feels good. Yeah. So that is the kind of the stretching portion of the thing. If you need to do more, just deep breathe while you're doing Pilates or yoga and while you're stretching your body out. I find eccentrics is really great. Look it up, ESSENTRICS. Good. The next exercise is lip trills. Lip trills, you really need to engage your core and work really hard to make lip trills work. So if you can't do lip trills, you can do roll your R's, or just do zzz again if you're having a lot of trouble. But really work on finding your lip trills. Your raspberries. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just as simple as that. Ready? Let your voice switch up to falsetto. Eventually here. It's about here that it happens. Just let it crack back and forth. Just make it easy. Here. Not here. Good. So that is your lip trills or your good. So the next exercise is your angry bees. Zzz. Some people don't like S sounds because lisps. Zzz. It's my favorite. But if not, you can do zh or v or th. I find that one really hard. But if you can do zzz, let's go for that one. So I call these angry bees because I want you to get the sound zzz, really loud and forward, but still easy and effortless here. Yeah. So zzz. So the exercise is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we'll go a little bit faster now. Keep it steady. Falsetto again, and that is okay. You want it to gradually actually switch over. As a tenor, we're always trying to lighten up our sound as we go up, not try to bring our chest voice up, yeah? So zzz, so going towards your falsetto is lightening up. Let's do one more. So it's really important with that one to keep a very steady stream of air. A part of what great singing is that steady stream of air and working on that. I have some videos on that if you want to watch them, posted here on my YouTube channel. Then the next exercise, let's see. I wrote it down. Right, octaves. So, like a pirate And so what does is it gets your tongue back, and kind of lift it up into a very specific place, which is very close to where belting is. But don't go and put the sound back here, but keeping the as much of kind of that forwardness, not choky back. So, so these are octaves, the pirated octaves. See what I'm doing with my lips? E, and then do the same thing on a vowel. And now we're going to do A. And try to keep your tongue basically in the same place as the now we'll do O, and then back to Now let's do and then and the last one So that takes me to the next exercise. This one's, I call it the Adele. I learned it from Jeannie LaVetrie, fancy New York voice teacher, and she does somatic voice work. And I saw an Adele special. Adele was on TV, and there was a little clip of Jeannie LaVetrie teaching this exercise to Adele. So what it is you lift your chin a little bit, you stick out your tongue, rest it on your bottom lip, and you make and it has to be like the ugliest of your life, yeah? And actually the exercise goes like this. 1, and you slide up to 8, and then you go 5, 3, 1. So we'll do those, and what you want to feel is a shift happening. And you want to feel, if you pant a little bit, that helps to open up your throat. And let the voice churn over. Is the greatest vowel for belting. If you make all of your vowel sounds kind of towards which is this mouse shape, you'll belt better. And more easily. Has to do with overtones. Make it easy as possible. Stick to don't let it change. Up here is going to get kind of weird and distant sounding, but that's normal and how it should be. Feels like I'm going into falsetto. So that was high C. I haven't been belting for a while lately, so that's not as good as it usually is, but oh well, that's why we warm up. So that is the Adele. And then the last exercise is the, oh, this one's fun, is the ha, ha, ha. So you can do this two ways. So the first one is ha, and you hold your breath. Ha, ah. So we're just going down the octave. Ha, ah. So that, yeah. So you go ha, hold your breath, and then start the sound with a little tiny glottal oh. Ha, ah. You can do oh, ha, oh, ha, oh. The other way to do this is to feel like you're about to yell at somebody, but you stop yourself. Oh, is the other way. But basically what this does is in that moment of holding your breath, ha, I feel like my body is really expanded and open, and I feel like I'm doing up a tight pair of pants down here, and my throat opens up. Ha! Oh! Only do this up as high as possible, or as comfortable as possible. Ha! Oh! Ha! Ah! I've switched to ah now. Ha! If you can go higher, go for it. So, yes, warm-ups are about warming up your body, reminding yourself of technique, and building in technique. So they're important to do every day. If you feel scratch, tickle, cough in your throat, that means something is not right, and you should just stop and make sure you're talking to your voice teacher. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe and like and comment. And also at www.singingwithron.com, I have some free courses on belting and posture and breathing and semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. So go on over there and check those out. And thanks. Have a great rest of your day.